everyone, and today we got a quick construction update from Six Flags Over Georgia with the new Pandemonium ride coming in 2019. So as you can see from the footage that they have almost finished the new Screenpunk district, and actually as of recording this video, they actually have gone vertical with it, and new footage will be coming soon. But you can see that there are parts in the back parking lot, and also footage coming up later in this video is standing but not operating SplashWater Falls, which could potentially be the new site for a new roller coaster coming. So anyway, enjoy the footage, and I will see you guys soon.